This video provides a step-by-step stitching guide for the handmade charm. The charm is made up of 2 layers, an upper layer and a lower layer. Grab your square pieces and sponges. Place the square pieces on top of the sponge. Stick it to the square pieces with double-sided tape. Peel off the plastic from the double-sided tape. Then stick it onto the sponge. Use scissors to trim off the excess sponge. That's it! You're done! Then place the sponge side face up on the red cloth. Stick double-sided tape along the edge of this square piece to secure it. Once the tape is applied, peel off the plastic, backing from the double-sided tape. Next, adjust the square piece to the center of the red cloth. Fold out the 4 corners of the red cloth. Stick it to the double-sided tape you applied earlier. Fold the 4 sides over just like you did earlier. Stick it to the double-sided tape. Press it down gently. Next, get out your needles and threads. Once you've threaded the needle, sew the 4 corners together. You can just sew the connections securely in your own style. Everyone. If you think it's not secure enough, add a few more stitches. After sewing, secure it and then stitch the other 3 corners. Now the back is sewn up. Then we sew the front part. Then, just like before, take out the prepared sponge and square pieces. Then, just like before, use double-sided tape to stick the square pieces onto the sponge. Snip off any extra sponges. Now, let's take out the finished embroidered pieces we made. Place the finished one below, sponge side up to the craft. Then fold the finished item in half to match the shape of the square below. Then use a water erasable pen or air erasable pen to mark the middle of each side. Then draw the cutting line according to the marks. Cut off the excess part along the cutting line. Now take out the square pieces we made earlier. Stick double-sided tape around the edges of the gray side. Then place the sponge side against the finished piece. Place it right in the center of the embroidery fabric. First, fold the four corners of the embroidery fabric and stick them down with double-sided tape. Then stick the four edges onto the double-sided tape. Once glued, stitch along the edges with thread. Stitch the seams as you did earlier. Then cut off the excess thread. This video is divided into two parts due to its length. So that's the end of part 1 of the video. See you next time!